Power management. ITAM allows power management for Windows machines. This can reduce cost in organizations, as what we can do is we can schedule machines, monitors, hard disk systems to be switched off or go into hibernate. To do it, we go into Settings, Package and Policy Management, and we create a power policy. We can manage hard disks, monitors, and standby policy. Upon creation, we allocate the policy as an automation task, and it will run whenever scheduled. We're going to set up power management. So we've jumped into Settings, and we're going to navigate down the screen to Software Management and Package and Policy Management and select it. We've discussed software package and script package earlier in other modules. Let's talk about power policy. So I select power. Upon selection of power policy, I have the ability to create my own policies or new policies. I have one that exists, which I'm going to use for the moment as the example, which is laptop turn off. So if I select it, the policy is displayed. The policy name is laptop turn off, and I've determined to turn off the hard disk after 1 hour, turn off the monitor after 20 minutes, and system standby after 3 hours. I'm not going to talk about batteries. I've enabled or disabled hibernate to happen never, but I'm going to hibernate after 4 or 5 hours, depending on the policy that you want to have. I'd normally click on update policy if I did a new one. For the moment, there's no amendment to what I've got, so I click on cancel. So how do I apply this policy? To do that, we go to IT Automation and Automation Tasks. I jump down to System Power Management, and I select Power Option. There's other options in here, but the one I want is Power Options. This brings up the scheduler for my criteria. So I'm selecting, I want all criteria. So every single host for every single domain. So I click on to next. So I'm selecting turn laptop off based on all of my nodes. I click on next, and I can enable the scheduler, and I want this to happen on a hourly basis, daily basis. Again, totally take your pick. Let's do this on a daily basis, scheduled from today at 1 AM. Do I want to be notified when finished? Do I want to have any recounts? I can save my configuration as laptop power off. When I save that, that will be written to the database, and that script or that policy will then take place. I don't want to do that for live, so what I'm going to do for the moment is just to disable the scheduler, save my new schedule. You will now see my automation task of laptop power off and when it's going to be run. Notice it's not scheduled to run because I disabled it.